Hi, let's talk about listicles. In the blog world, where you've got a list of maybe top 10, whatever, that's really a listicle, okay? The blog post that I copied this from bloggingbrute.com, it's in the show notes. If you go to the GuyRKirkReport.podbean.com, I've got them so you can get them. The link there, simply put, a listicle blog post is designed to present the reader with a list of specific things that are related. Okay? So it's not a how-to with the steps of how to install your garage door opener or something like that. This is when you've got a list of maybe the top best tools you use on your desktop. I've got a link in cyberspace somewhere for my desktop tools. So that would be a listicle because it's a top 10 list, okay? I hope that you've enjoyed this episode. I want to thank you for taking the time to listen to us. If you go to YouTube, you can watch the video and you can read the show notes if you want to get it in text form. So we've got them for you. I hope you have a great week. Thanks so much for listening. It's a wrap.